means today marking 1 year anniversary of Chandrayaan-3 mission successful lunar landing. This day honors India's achievement in space exploration and aims to inspire youth in science, technology, engineering and mathematical fields. On August 23, 2023, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO achieved a greater excellence on the successful landing of Vikram lander on the moon. From this, India became fourth country to land on the moon and first country to land near the southern polar region. The Vikram lander, accompanied with the Pragyan rover, touched down the lunar surface, marking a significant achievement in India's space exploration effort. The Chandrayaan-3 was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. The mission success was celebrated all across the country, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi proclaiming 23rd August to be National Space Day to honor this historic event. The mission success was not only showcasing India's rising capabilities in space exploration, but also highlighted the importance of international collaboration in space exploration. Thank you.
Regularly known as the ornithologist, it is pioneering painting the Massachusetts. Born on 1896, he loved for birds and continues to conduct large studies on birds. His efforts culminated in the rebook of several seminal works, inclusive books of birds of India. His an eminent Indian mathematician S.S. Abhyankar made profound in contribution to algebraic geometry, revolutioning the and with his revolutioning ideas and deep insights. Born on 22nd July 1930, Abhyankar's artwork focused on irrational geometry and the choices of singularities. Focused on algebraic curves and surfaces. Thank you. The famous scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose, who performs dual position as an Indian physicist, biologist and inventor. By the use of some of the tools, Bose demonstrate the as an Indian American laptop scientist. His determination is not only found in schooling, transportation, healthcare. He has motivated various schooling, healthcare and transportation. Thank you. Srinivas Ramanuja, discovery of various methods and theories in mathematics. has registered with ISRO, who will involve themselves in tutoring the public through various outreach activities. This initiative